Cabinet meeting approves to provide government college teachers a salary and the 7th pay scale starting April 2020 as per UGC regulation. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Trivalent schedules next hearing for disqualification case of 7 MLAs after the Assembly session. Hairok Block Congress Committee alleges discrepancies for 33 Hairok constituencies in the final electoral list of the state released on 7th of February. An excise department destroys liquors worth over 45 lakh rupees seized from various parts of Imphal East and West. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambanduram presenting you the prime-timed English news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of the day. The cabinet meeting, which convened today, resolved to provide government college teachers a salary under 7th pay scale starting April 2020 as per UGC regulations. Chief Minister Nongthoam Bireen disclosed that loans will be taken from HUDCO for housing complex constructions of government employees. He was speaking to media in a press meet held at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Speaking further, Nongthoam Bireen said an appropriate bill regarding sewage, appropriation bill 2, cultural university bill and professional tax bill will be produced in the upcoming assembly session. Mentioning the unfortunate incident where a student of a TG higher secondary school was raped recently, he asserted that authorities concerned has discussed to offer a government job to the victim. Nongthoam Bireen added that the cabinet meeting also resolved to construct a sub-treasury office at the Dubi as well as to construct a private university named Bir Tikendrajit University in the near future.
Vacancy labor tangai phadaba department kharagi nurse huji akhoi kaino sing ji PSC adagi primary health sub center aduga primary health center sing si akhoi wellness center won thokro matungda manpower gi demand lakpa aduna maram oi kanda tangai phadana nurse kumba de waza gumba the veterinary department gi huji yam kanna akhoi gi Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ki makhada veterinary sing gi su akhoi anu different schemes kaya lakpanina madugi makeup tongnaba post khara post all total department wise atakasu post home samri gumba ama vacancy yam thin leibasing award pasina mention naba adugumba kharaga lowe.
Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Trivalent has carried out the hearing process of the disqualification case of 7 MLAs at the Trivalent in Chingmairong at around 1 p.m. today. Speaker resolved to carry out next hearing process following the assembly session after listening to the advocates of respondent and petitioner. Advocate of 7 MLAs filed a prelim objection urging to reject the disqualification case during the hearing. The Trivalent notified petitioner of the case to submit reply or written affidavit of the prelim objection within 14th to 28th of February. The private petitioner also filed additional affidavit regarding disqualification case of 7 MLAs. The Trivalent also notified respondents of the case to submit reply or written affidavit during the upcoming budget session. The Trivalent further informed the 7 MLAs to submit reply or written affidavit regarding the 15 disqualification cases at the Trivalent during the upcoming budget session too. It may be mentioned that private parties, including Congress MLAs, has filed 15 different disqualification cases against Wangoi MLA, Oinam Lukhoi, Lamlai MLA, KSH Virend, Wangjing Tentha MLA, Ponam Brojend, Kumbi MLA Est Vida, Saitu MLAs Ngamthang Haukip, Kakching MLA Y. Surchandra, Singhat MLAs Jinshuan Hao, who emerged successful from Congress in the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly election. However, respondent and petitioner of the disqualification case of the Minister Thongnaujam Shyamkumar has yet to submit additional affidavits as per informed by Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Treveland to submit them within 12th of February. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birent launched a new payment system called e-Kubir today. The system aims to curb the shortcoming, including delay in fund transfer, problems in accounting, and difficulties in cash flow management of the government. Speaking to media at Chief Minister's Secretariat, Chief Minister Nongthombam Birent said the new payment system, which will be operated under Reserved Bank of India, will resolve the shortcoming to a great extent and declare that all government transactions for payment will be directly with RBI without any intermediary bank. He asserted that the new payment system was first started as a pilot basis at Imphal East Treasury on 6th of January. He maintained that following successful implementation of the system in Imphal East District, the government decided to launch the system in all treasuries and sub-treasuries of the state. He said that the existing system will continue for some time as the government received accounting system e-gross software of the system will likely operationalized within 3 months.
Government transactions for payment will be directly with RBI without any intermediary bank. Since Treasury Net has also been brought online as a web-based integrated system accessible by all treasuries, integration of Treasury Net with the e-Kubir payment platform is the logical way forward.
Hairok Block Congress Committee said there are several mistakes for 33 Hairok constituency in the final electoral list of the state released on 7th of February. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Committee General Secretary Organization M. Raj Mohan said there were more than 29,000 voters in Hairok constituency during Lok Sabha elections 2019. He asserted that, however, around 500 number of voters were missing in the recently released final electoral list. He added that upon investigation by the committee, it came to light that Hairok MLA cum Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam, in association with Thoubal District ADM and BLOs of Hairok, allegedly carried out many misdeeds. M. Raj Mohan assured that Congress supporters were denied entry in the voter list too. He also lamented that many new voters who have submitted forms to enroll in the voter list were also denied by BLOs and ADMs. However, Class 8 students who are in favor of BJP were found enrolling in the voter list. The warrant of legal actions against those BLOs and ADMs, BLOs, from various 39 polling stations of Hairok attended the meet.
Hoina hapa makai 10% hapa class 8 tamgera 7 tamgera 9 tamgera aduga somdana BA tamlaba MA tamlaba marriage dawraba mi sing bawa sida happy raktriye masi karigino sine ko hangjaningi aduna di masi punamak se achauba irang ama sinnabugi damak chauba bartol ma tawrabra sigumba se matam jana marilenaba ngasi government sina laingakna marilenaribo authority singda akan warning tawbiraga amuna revision se supplementary wena phongpigera karinoma tawbiraga masi solution lama athu matama tawbidragadi masi kona miyamgi kholaw akanbama lakani.
Huge amounts of Indian-made foreign liquors, IMFL, beer and country liquors worth around 45 lakh rupees in market value were destroyed at Excise Headquarter Campus in Lamphal today. Speaking to media, Deputy Superintendent of Excise Headquarter, T.H. Emo, said Excise Department carried out anti-drug drives in various areas of Imphal East and West. He asserted that around 5,000 litres of IMFL, 5,000 litres of beer and 1,000 litres of country liquor were seized during the drive. He asserted that the seized items were destroyed under Manipur Liquor Prohibition Act 1991.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯁꯤ ꯑꯐꯥꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯀꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯚꯦꯂꯨꯑꯦꯁꯟꯅ 45 lakhs 13,614ꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯥꯏꯖꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯀꯜ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯁꯨꯏ ꯕꯤꯁꯦꯝꯄꯨꯔ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯀꯜ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ngasi thugarijina Imphal Circle gini Bisempur Thawan gidi makhoi Deputy Superintendent na Commissioner Excise ga yab lorga makhoi district ta adum thugairaga lai.
Kanglei Park Students Association KSA has urged the authorities concerned to take necessary measure to solve the ongoing issue of the government teachers regarding 7th pay scale at the earliest, filing which the association has warned of intense agitation along with various colleges. Speaking to media at KSA office in Kuyatong today, Public Grievances Secretary of the association Toijamd Rana Kumar expressed discontentment that many students are deprived of their education even though semester exam routine has been published owing to the issue. He urged the government to resolve the matter considering the plights facing the students at the earliest.
Hana sahi gi oina su February date 3 2020 digi hawno osasina class boycott tawna maram oiduna haji ju laik tama phangduna leiri academic atmosphere da yamna sauna pirakliba yamna sauna akai pirakliba khongjang amadi thawong sing asibu paliba langang asina kaisu thawoidana leibagi mami ama tariba asi mahiroi khunai bu asauba singnaba amani haibada haimanba thokloi haina haijage karigumba asigumba tangdu loita da fibam asida adumak makha chathalak ba thoklabadi mahiroi khunai ga khusam naduna Kanglei Park Student Association na towan ba khongjang kya sangsinaba sem saba loijare haina haijari maram aduna yamna athubada yanama purakna honna bi haina kesi site gi appeal tawjari.
Meanwhile, the ongoing agitations of the government teachers demanding implementation of 7th pay commission has created a major inconveniences in the academic atmosphere of the colleges. General Secretary of Imphal College Students Union ICSU R.K. Umananda said the same during a press meet held at the union's office today. He urged the government to resolve the prevailing issue at the earliest. He lamented that the future of the students are at risk as teachers have not conducted any classes, although semester exam routine has already been published. He appealed to solve the matter at the earliest.
7 pay commission pithoktabana maram oiraga ojasingna strike tawduna leigiba maram oiraga college singi academic atmosphere da akaiba pirakba haibasi akoi laibak thibani semester exam kuisilaktre exam preparation tawduna leiba matam asida college sing class tawbidaba haibase tungi yombi oiriba koigi mairoi khunai sida yam chauna singna bama oina lawi asi fawada lainga sinda tumina leisin biduna leiriba se koigi tungi yombi ren oiriba mairoi singbu lumna laude haibasi tai masi akoi thamoi songna nungai jade hojik mairoi singi class bida leiribasi athu matamda yanaba purak bidaba taragadi koi college khudingmaki apun boin onsinduna irang horak loidabagi maram leite maram aduna lainga gasina oiriba fibamasi lumna lobiraga athubada warosin purakadama honaga.
Staffs of District Early Intervention Center DEIC has urged the state government to provide the 11th month pending salary of 84 staffs of DEIC within 10 days. Speaking to media in a press meet held at the office of DEIC in Imphal West in Lumphil today, representative of DEIC staff Kundrakpam Dinesh said estimated money for opening of DEIC in various districts of the state was sanctioned by the center under National Health Mission in 2014. He lamented that the center opened in the state are unable to function properly due to misappropriation of the sanctioned capital. He asserted that the 84 staffs of DEIC has been working at Jenims, RIMS and various other district hospitals of the state. Highlighting the plights facing the staff, he appealed the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest.
Khoigi tolobasi thataram thoi subna lerakpasida mai family da awaba duki matik burden oibna maram oiraga aikhoina ngasi phawda haijarakpada tabirakpada bigi damakta aikhoina media gi khuthangda leiriba higher authority singda inform tawnabi damak koina ngasi media si thamjabani aduna karigumba aikhoina ngasi numit sidagi numit 10 phawgi matungda lei mari leinaba authority singna karigumba amicable solution ama pibidaba taragati aikhoina leijari staff singsina mari leinaba legal action or natraga aikhogi center da makha taba aikoi koi wafum wakat raga haiba ngasagi khogi staff singsida lairibe employee singsida thabok sinna tolop pidan tham damakta khoi makha ta action lakhot chagani haibsi mayam gi firep oi.
Nabarat organized a state credit seminar on high-tech agriculture with an aim to double farmers' income at Hotel Classic Grand today. An annual credit plan entitled State Focus Paper for 2020-2021 was also released on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu disclosed that the bank will sanction 2,376 crore rupees for the new financial year 2020-2021 to enhance the income of farmers of the state, asserting that following successful completion of Dolai Thabi project, he declares that Thobal Dam, which will provide irrigation water to agricultural fields measuring around 25 hectares, will be commissioned within this year. Highlighting the shortage of agricultural land in the state, Dr. J. Suresh Babu propounded to farmers to focus on horticulture, piggery and fishery farming to enhance the economy. He added, the bank under Rural Infrastructure Development Fund is striving to enhance and develop road, canals and construct proper Angalwadi centers and health sector of the villages in the state. He appealed stakeholders to cooperate in successful implementation of state credit plan initiated by the bank. RBI General Manager Mary Guite, CAU Vice Chancellor Dr. M. Premjit, SBI Guwahati General Managers Digmanu Gupta attended the event.
Banks are not deprived of money, as I understand. After demonetization, the public money has mandatorily come back into the banks because the 500,000 notes were derecognized. So after the money came to the bank, the entire public savings is with the banks. Now subsequently, banks have put so much of restriction on drawing the cash. So the banks should be holding enough cash to mobilize lending, both in primary and secondary sectors. So the efforts that we should make in Manipur should primarily focus on how we'll be able to take forward. You see, as far as the government is concerned, we are trying our best to improve the irrigation potential in the state.
Lead District Manager of the Pradhan Mantri Kishan Scheme and Nimai said that only 25,156 beneficiaries out of the total 1,73,789 beneficiaries of the state under Pradhan Mantri Kishan Scheme has collected their Kishan credit card. He urged the remaining beneficiaries to collect their cards to obtain benefits of the scheme at the earliest. Speaking to media at Chingmairong today, and Nimai said the card, which earlier provided income support only to agricultural farmers, is now providing the same benefits to the livestock farmers as well, asserting that although the scheme was launched on the 2019 February with an aim to double farmers' income, he lamented that farmers are yet to avail the benefits of the scheme. He urged the farmers to collect their KCC cards from nearby bank at the earliest.
Sigi Kisan, Pradhan Mantri Kisan, Sigi Makhada, beneficiary fangrava, benefit fangrava, beneficiary singdo. Adugi Lemo River Singdo, Akogi Preski Tongra, Coin request of Yavadi, Moina Masamasagi, account labor bank branching Sapiu, Aduga, Akogi Kanosi, KCC loan, the application form, Yam Samba application form later, Masiki forms a Philip Toroga, Akogi Masana labor, Masamasana labor bank, Tingi, Adusalaga, loan Jilobayarani.
One Yaikom Santos, aged about 18 years, from Ngaikong Shifai in Vishnupur district is untrackable since he left from Barak Bridge area in Infal Jiribam Road at around 10 a.m. of February 4. He is about 5.3 feet tall. Santosh was a handyman of the Tata truck bearing registration number MN016589. He was last seen at the Khongsang village around 6 p.m. on 4th of February. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on release of a book entitled Reminiscence of Coming and Remembering Returned Journeys, written by Professor N. Iravanta. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Retired IAS Dr. R.K. Nimai has released a book entitled Reminiscence of Coming and Remembering Return Journeys, written by Professor and Iravanta based on his life story today. Nivea Consultancy Private Limited and Nivea Device organized the event at LI Shopping Complex in Singjume Market. Speaking at the event, author, professor and Iravanta said failure to mingle between aged parents and their children is quite common these days. He opined that such is the result of gaps between ideas among them. And Iravanta assured that the newly released book will facilitate in strengthening the bond between the parents and their children. Principal of Dhanamanjari College of Science, E. Jadu, retired Dean of Manipur University School of Humanities, Professor P. Navachandra, and many eminent persons attended the event.
Makoina khanba wakhanga aikoi ahalwar ba koina khanba wakhansiga khenaba mala eb maramdi makoina khoibu nungsidadna khenaba nateba mogi interest khenaba sini hujiki maru oiba problem leisi mogi interest tu ga aikoi interest ka manadabni na koina khanbana aikoi nungsibidre na khanba wakhanla khale waro we aloi ba koina adu tasengbadi maduna teba maduni aina malaik sida phongdoni se aikoi toramba se ipa sina toramba ibu boxing toramba thabuk kari ge no Masi urna ba na ai boina aina thamaga ai isai su su na hengwai moi khangna da bi da su thang da khangna na ba autobiography oina irerga thanam mase mase ai pandamni.
BJP Imphal West District observed the 52nd death anniversary of forerunner of Bharatiya Janata Party, Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya at Tera Bazaar today. The 25th death anniversary of Shahid Samurai Lakpam Madhumangol, who introduced BJP party in Manipur, was also held on the occasion. Attendees, including many senior leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh, paid floral tributes to the portrait of the two great leaders at the event. Speaking at the event, General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Nongthombam Nimbus, said BJP party was established based on the concept of Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyaya's integral humanity. He asserted that the event was held in commemoration of the prodigious role taken by the two eminent leaders for the welfare of the state and nation as a whole. Sahid Madhumangol Foundation in Fault also observed the 25th death anniversary of Samurai Lakpam Madhumangol Sharma.
Bharatiya Janata Party si sagatnaba honabada hairiba akhoi basic philosophy amasung mahaki principle singsi yam darkar oi aduna adungba basic philosophy integral humanism puthokpiramba Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya na mahangna bharat ki oina mahangna tawbiramba aduga bharat basi singi damakta khanbiramba singdu akhoina madu ningjangjaba aduga Manipur da party si sagatpada achauba daita lowe na ina thamjagiba aiga madungol makhoina sangjalamba makhoina khanjaramba makhoigi manglan makhoina pamjaramba singdu Bharatiya Janata Party ki karmi oiba koina mangphau nhanaba honaba aduga makhoigi foot step singduda koina manglom da sangjanaba palan se koi pangthokjabni.
Sixth Bharatiya Janata Party's Mandals also observed the 52nd death anniversary of a forerunner of Bharatiya Janata Party, Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya, and the 25th death anniversary of Shahid Samurai Lakpam Madhumangol at 6 various areas of Thoubal district today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of the two great leaders at the event. President of the Loktak Lake Tourism Development Cooperative Society Limited, Sendra Chingkhong, Vishnupur District, Manipur, and Ibosana appealed the authorities concerned to allow continuation of boating service at Loktak Lake, as the service does not affect Loktak Lake in any manner. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Iboshana said Loktak Inland Waterway has availed various benefits to people residing around Sendra Island. He asserted that the main purpose of Inland Waterway is to ferry people of Sendra to Taubul, Ningthokong, Fubala, Thanga Karang, Thanga Chingkha, Khordag, Nongmai Khong, and Mayang Infalt without taking much time using boats. Asserting that fishing by fish farmers does not affect Inland Waterway project, he stressed on the need to aware people of the inland waterway project to develop and enhance it. And Ibomsana retreated that the lone aim to LDA development is to preserve Loktak Lake.
Loktak kan bahayabasi Manipur da layriba miyoi kunai pumnamaki apambani tawudabu thawai hakchang yauna pada sibu kannaba honariba kangbudi LD department atna topa department ama ngasi phawa Manipur da laitri sina maram oiduna hairiba department asina part ki akoibada khundariba miyoi singi wakhalon khangi aduga makoigi chanaba mawongda LD department thabak ya pakhalli maram aduna LD department na Loktak part muthatnaba amadi manghannabagi wakhalon asi ngasi phawa leitri Loktak part pu amadi part asigi akoibada tariba praja singbu kanba haibasi LD department gi lengdraba phirepni.
JSC of land affected Patadar of 44 Yaithibi locals organized a public meeting at Koijamt Maring village today. Speaking to media, Secretary of JSC of land affected Patadar of 44 Yaithibi locals Kishand Manihar said a writ petition was filed by the JAC to High Court of Manipur on 18th June of 2019, following which an interim order was issued and any form of construction at 44 Yaithibi Lokon in Thobal district is prohibited. He condemned the act of those miscreants who tried to withdraw the case amidst such issues. Miss Spring 2019 Century Kai launched 6th session of Ringuist Got Talent today. Dewdrops has been organizing the talent hunt with an aim to nurture talents of youth and to refrain from alcohol and drugs in the state. The 6th session of the talent show will be held at Ukrul's Ringui on March 12th. In fall audition for the talent show will be held at Classic Grand in Chingmairong on 20th of February. Ukrul's audition will be held at the district on February 23. The grand finals will be held on the 14th of March.
All the youngsters from all age groups, every individual who is talented is an opportunity for them, and also it's has many different promotional welfare programs related with that. So it's overall to bring individuals and empower them with their talents. Yeah.
Nahasingsi, especially koi indigenous peoples mayam singsi talented yam leye adubo. Moigi mayamna recognize tawningai platform leidabigi damakta Dewdrops na si sinmani main aims and objective hojik nahasingna alcohol drugs kumbada changdaningai mai som main streamline lakningai gi damak hona jabni aduga ikoi environment HIV awareness kumba global climate change si kumba koi thengnamin na se gi damak si gi pandam dai koi Dewdrops na sinmani NGOs mayamna so event partner companies mayamna so event partner tawbi da lakpi gre Hojik sure ikoi cooperation amuga BBOI mayam bonijaninge.
Oath-taking ceremony for the newly elected office bearer of the 6th Executive Council 2020-2021 of Pangal Students Organization PSO Manipur was held today. The event was held at Manipur Press Club in Major Kult. Mohammad Jishand was elected as the new president, while Y.M. Shaduk Khan and Asif Khan were elected as the new vice president and Mohammad Warisht Khan as the new general secretary. The organization also released its new action plan for 2020-2021 on the occasion. The plan includes to organize academic campaigns in collaboration with the various civil society organizations to produce efficient students and to curb drug meanage in the society. Now the sports news. 13th I-League session home match between Neraka Football Club and Indian Arrows resulted in a goalless draw at Kumalam Park Men's Stadium today. The two teams executed excellent defensive game plans to beat each other. Under 22 players of Indian Arrow played excellently and launched attack against Neraka Football Club in the match. Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation Manipur unit accorded a warm welcome to Manipur team who participated at 58 Junior Mr. India at Imphal Veer Tikendrajit Airport today. It may be mentioned that the competition was held at Baleshwar in Odisha from 8th to 9th of February. Altogether, 21 bodybuilders from the state took part in the competition. AK Sanjoy bagged 5th position in 55 kg category, while the Modur Maringna bagged 4th position in 60 kg category. L. Pem Chandra clinched 5th position in 65 kg category. Ayekpand Jagadish bagged a bronze medal at 70 kg category, while the Chandam Rishikanta and Jamsant bagged 1 bronze medal and 5th position respectively in 80 kg category of the competition. Tombi as the team coach and the chief engineer PWD and Noren as team manager led the Manipuri team. Assam Rifles along with Sports Authority of India will conduct selection trials for archery, fencing and athletic sports at Shillong in March of 4, admission from class 6 to 9th. Assam Rifle in the press release informed that the new academic session will start from 1st of April 2020. Interested individuals may contact Assam Rifles for more details. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Cabinet meeting approves to provide government college teachers salary under 7th pay scale starting April 2020 as per UGC regulation. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Trivalent schedules next hearing for disqualification case of 7 MLAs after the Assembly session. Hyrock Block Congress Committee alleges discrepancies for 33 Hyrock constituency in the final electoral list of the state released on 7th of February. And Excise Department destroys leakers worth over 45 lakh rupees seized from various parts of Imphal East and West.